Want to design faster and keep your projects consistent? Components are one of Figma's most powerful features because they let you reuse design elements like buttons, cards, icons, and navigation bars throughout your project. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use components in Figma in 2026. So let's get started. First, create or select a design element that you want to reuse. This could be a button, icon, card, input field, or any other object you'll use multiple times. Components are perfect for elements that appear repeatedly across your designs. With the object selected, click the Create Component button in the toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut. Figma will convert the selected object into a reusable main component. The purple component icon shows that your element is now a component. Now drag the component from the Assets panel or copy and paste it to create multiple instances. Each instance stays connected to the original component. This lets you reuse the same design without rebuilding it every time. Next, edit the original component by changing its color, text style, size, or other properties. You'll notice that every connected instance updates automatically. Take a moment to see how quickly all the copies stay consistent. If needed, you can override certain properties on individual instances, such as changing the button text or swapping an icon, while keeping the connection to the main component. So you've successfully learned how to use components in Figma, and that's how to use components in Figma. By creating reusable design elements, you can save time, maintain consistency, and make future updates much easier across your entire project. The more you use components, the more efficient your design workflow becomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.